Hello everyone, this is Bianca. Today I will teach you how to operate a laser marking machine after receiving it. First, check if all accessories are complete. The accessories should include foot switch, stainless steel ruler, position bars, safety goggles, screws, USB flash drive, installation tools, power cord. If you have additional purchase a rotary axis or other tools, check whether they match the specifications on the pro forma invoice. Second, install the machine. If all accessories are correct, let's start the installation. The first step is to install the lifting column. Then, the laser fixing block kit. Finally, fix the laser source. Then, install the driver and software. Once the installation is complete, connect the power supply and turn on the two switches in order. Insert the USB into the computer. Copy the contents of the USB flash drive to the computer. Install the driver. Then, adjusting the focal point. Before you start marking, you need to ensure the laser is in focus. There is a label on the side on the lens indicating the focal distance. Use a ruler to measure the correct focal distance. Finally, basic software instruction. Open the EzCad2 software, click the File button and then click inside the box on the right, where a text field will appear. In the lower left corner of the software, you can change the text to anything you want to mark, such as laser. After making the changes, click Apply, and the content in the box will change to laser. Next, fill the marking content using default parameters. Finally, click Light, and the laser will start working. Please wear safety goggles while the laser is operating. If If you want to learn more about the software, please refer to the user manual.